Welcome to Consort's DF2SL installation guide. Step 1. Remove your heater from the box. Step 2. Attached to the cardboard packing is a small bag with the installation kit. Keep it safe. Step 3. Remove the lid. There is one screw holding this in place. The lid hinges from the grill. Step 4. For fixing, there are 2 keyhole slots, and 1 securing hole. Step 5. Put the heater in position and mark all fixing points. Step 6. Remove heater and check the level, adjust if needed. Step 7. Select most appropriate fixing method. Step 8. Depending on the wall construction, drill holes for appropriate fixing. Step 9. Insert 2 screws in the keyhole fixing points. Leave approximately 15 mm of the head exposed. Step 10. Using 1.5 mm square flex, cut the length required and strip the end. Step 11. Feed the stripped end through the back of the heater. Step 12. Connect the line and neutral conductors to the terminal block in the heater marked L and N. This heater is double insulated and does not require earth. Step 13. Check connections, unpack the cable clamp and the 2 screws from the installation kit. Step 14. Clamp the cable. Step 15. Place the heater on the 2 screws using the keyhole slots. Warning: do not run the heater without the lid on. Step 16. Fix top screw ensuring not to clamp the mains cable. Do not over-tighten as the screw can pull through the plastic. Step 17. Tighten the 2 screws in the keyhole slots, ensuring not to over-tighten. Step 18. It is possible to bend or move the LED indication light when installing. Check this is straight and pointing away from the wall. Warning: please ensure that there are no foreign objects left in the heater before attaching the lid. Foreign objects left on top of the heating element can damage the heater and potentially start a fire. Step 19. Install the lid. This must be inserted at the bottom and hinged upward. Step 20. Place and secure lid on the heater using 2 screws from the installation pack and 1 screw which was already in the heater. Ensure that none of the internal leads are clamped between the lid and the body in the process. Step 21. Insert the screw covers if required. Step 22. Wire the flex lead into the switched fused spare. The heater must be permanently connected to the electricity supply via a double pole switch having 3 mm gap on each pole complying to BS 1363. There are no exceptions. Step 23. Before switching the heater on, ensure the lid is on. Without the lid the heater will not work properly and will overheat. Step 24. Check the thermostat is set to maximum showing the 4 dots. Step 25. The heater is now ready for testing and commissioning. In order to test the heater, it has to be paired with a controller. Switch power to the heater on. There is a green light on the front indicating that the heater is ready. There is a 20 seconds window to finish the pairing. Please refer to the controller user manual for more details. Step 26. Pairing the heater with SLPB controller. Switch power to the heater on. Within 10 seconds, press and hold the button on the controller. After a few seconds, the indicator lights will change from green to amber, flashing in rotating sequence. This is indicating that the pairing is in progress. Step 27. If the pairing was successful, the indicator light on the heater will switch to red and the heater will start working. Check that the fan is running and the heater is producing heat. After a few seconds, the heater should switch off unless the controller is calling for heat. If the pairing didn't work, repeat the sequence. Step 28. The heater is now ready for use. Troubleshooting. Number 1. The fan is not spinning. Solution. Check the lid fitment. Ensure that the fan is fully pressed on the shaft. Number 2. Slow red flashing light. Solution. The thermostat needs to be set higher as the room is warmer than the set temperature. Number 3. Fast red flashing light. Solution. Is the lid on the heater? If yes, check if the fan can spin. If the fan can't spin, try method number 1 above. For any other issues, please contact our technical team at 01646 692172 or email technical@consort.epl.com.